Welcome to day number 2 of History of Measurement. And we're going to read an introduction paragraph about a couple things from way back hundreds, thousands of years ago about people measuring things. And then you're going to watch a video called Measure for Measure Length. And so it goes over how different measurements started and originated and where they came from. It's pretty interesting and lots of information given in the video. And then there's some questions to answer and respond to after you watch the video. So other than that, you have the normal essential question and daily summary that you'll have to answer. And so while watching the video and going through today, remember today's essential question: why are many historical measurements not precise? And so that was one of your vocabulary definitions from the first day, is precise. And so when we're in our design notebook, remember we are now on day number 2. And so we will review the vocabulary words and now read the introduction paragraph. And then I'll show you how to watch the video for the measurement for measure. So you can click on the link here as a bookmark, take you straight to where you need to be. Remember, your daily goal and essential questions should be filled in. And for the introduction paragraph, you can follow along with me. Before humans created a standardized system of measurement, many cultures used local customs for measuring objects. The English at one time used grains of barley as their standard for measurement. What do you think could be a problem with this system? All grains of barley are not the same, so this system is not at all accurate. Early measurement was a conglomeration of irregular, non-standard units. Does it make you wonder how the early engineers built the pyramids with such inaccurate measurement systems? And so a couple of these words were your vocabulary definitions from day number 1 of standardized, meaning standardized, it's going to be the same for everybody. So if I use a ruler that's 12 inches, it's going to be the same if you use the ruler that's 12 inches. But way back in time, people had to use things that were non-standard. And so we're going to watch a video that talks about a couple of those things and then how a couple of our measurements today came to be. And so the video is linked in your design notebook right here. So you can click right here and you will see the video pops up. And you can click on the video on your own time. I'm not going to play it in this video. But after watching this video or while watching the video, you can answer these questions and list 2 to 5 items throughout history that people used to use to measure distances. So notice they are different colored. Number 1 and 2 are blue, which means those are must do. You must have 2 different objects throughout history that people used. The third one is orange, which is should do. And the 4th and 5th are aspire to do. So I challenge you, aspire to get 4 or 5 things written in for this one. Initially, how was the length of a foot determined? So we're not talking about the ruler that we're talking about. It was originated in a different way. So watch the video, find that answer. And once again, you'll see color-coded here for must do, should do, and aspire to do for list 2 to 5 problems with the way people have measured throughout history. Next question is, what is the modern day meter based upon? And there's your answer there. So answer these questions as you go through the video, and then you have your daily summary. Enjoy the video and let us know if you have any questions.